Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm in Jeterville, Texas. It's just north of Haslet. Has a population of 5 and 1 cat.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
And this is all that's here. Nothing else. Even though I did see a trailer there that says Jeterville Trucking. This says Jeterville Trucking, Fort Worth, Texas. But this is all there is to Jeterville. Didn't see the cat. Trailer there that says Jeterville Trucking. Let's take a look. Alright, I think their sign needs a little bit of work. Barely read it. And all they have here is this convenience store. Well guys, I can now say I've been to Jeterville, Texas. Jeterville. Yeah. I wouldn't come out of my way just to stop and check this place out. If you happen to be in the Haslet area, stop by and check out Jeterville, Texas. You need a soda or a drink or some lotto tickets. It's starting to rain. Catch you on the road here in Jeterville, Texas. Population 5, 1 cat.